Welcome to a short demonstration on Vault eTMF. Today, we are going to provide an overview of the TMF Viewer feature. The TMF Viewer allows you to manage a TMF by browsing dynamically organized content and switching between multiple configured hierarchies. This is great for supporting inspections. Whether the inspector likes to do their own navigation or have someone else do the driving, TMF Viewer makes it easy to search, filter, and navigate within Vault. This feature also helps reduce administrative burden associated with binder creation and maintenance. Vault does the work for you instead of the other way around. Without further ado, let's take a tour of the TMF Viewer.
So here I am in my Vault. I'm going to navigate to my TMF Viewer from the TMF Viewer tab here on the top under the eTMF parent tab. This brings me to my TMF Viewer page. You'll notice here on the top that we have a study country site selector. Some customers may recognize this from the TMF homepage that was launched in 19R1. This selector gives users the ability to drill down to these more granular levels. We also have our folder structures on the left-hand side here. Keep an eye on these as we add study country and study site in the navigator. As I clicked on Finland and Site 5280, the tree structure changed to only display sections with content. This behavior was built to reflect customer feedback where folks wanted to avoid confusion caused by displaying empty sections. Now you'll notice that we have a TMF reference model drop down here. This is where you can choose a structure for viewing your documents. You can choose from the TMF reference model 3.0, 2.0, or Viva's hierarchy called Vault Clinical Docs. Another feature that we have here is the Expand All button, which expands all of these sections at once so you can see all of their subsections. If you're only interested in the contents of one of these sections, you can click on it to filter down like so. Another great feature of the new TMF Viewer is the ability to search. So let's say that you're a study manager and your company's policy is to get a new CV from investigators every 2 years. So we would want to see all of the CVs that have expired. I'll go ahead and search CV here and click on my expiration date column, which allows me to easily see when CVs are expiring. You can also filter on some columns. So let's say you want to see documents which expired before today. We would just click to filter this column and set date is before today. This can be great for inspections. I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. And now let's look at consents. So let's say you're a study manager who wants to see all of the informed consent versions in this new TMF Viewer. I'll type consent into the search bar. And then I'm going to click this arrow to expand. By doing so, I can see all of the versions of this ICF. One thing to note is that this TMF Viewer respects security and permissions, so I need permission to this document in order to see it here. Now, I can actually do a lot of work on documents directly from this TMF Viewer. Here we have many choices on the actions that we can take on this document. We can log quality issues, send us link, upload new version, and more. We can also export this list of documents from the gear icon over here in the upper right. Once you download and open the Excel file that's generated, you can click on the hyperlinks and they will bring you right back to the document in Vault. And that is the new TMF Viewer in a nutshell.